how to enable or disable double space to add full stop or period in Gboard on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. From the settings page, scroll down, then tap on General Management. From here, tap on Gboard Settings, then tap on Preferences. Now scroll down, and in the Shortcuts section, tap on double space full stop toggle button to disable or enable this feature. When this is enabled, you can use the double space bar to insert a full stop or a period key. And that's it. So double space on the space bar to insert a period key. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.